For this video, we're going to be adding using the standard algorithm and also a place value chart. In that place value chart, we'll be using something called place value disks, where we'll be representing the ones and the tens and the hundreds with something called place value disks. So this problem is 246 plus 158. You can see the standard algorithm set up at the bottom of the chart. So the first thing the students will be asked to do is show 246 in the hundreds, tens, and ones with place value disks. So for the ones, they would draw 6 ones, and we like them to draw the ones first and then circle them, and those are the disks. So the student would be showing 6 ones, and then in the tens place it would be 4 tens, so they would make the tens first and then circle them to show the disks. And then finally 2 hundreds, and then circle them. After that, right underneath that, because this is an addition problem, they would then show 158. So we will start with our ones place and show 8 ones. Again, they will show, just draw the numbers first and then circle them. At 5 tens, drawn right underneath. And then 100. Now, we are doing this to show the kids how we regroup. And we're going to be doing something called bundling. When we start in the ones place, the students are going to be asked to count up all the ones and see if they can make 10 out of the ones place. They're looking to see if they can make 10 ones. If they're able to do that, they will circle those 10 ones. So in this case, they were able to make 10, and they are going to bundle those 10 ones and bring them over with an arrow to the tens place, where they would make 1 10 with those 10 ones. So they can now cross them out of the ones place because those 10 ones have been bundled into 1 10. Now we would look at the standard algorithm at the bottom, and if we add 6 plus 8, that would be 14, and now we are left with 4 ones, so they put a 4 in the ones place. And something new the students might be doing is that 110 that they bundled can be written, instead of on top of the 4, as it traditionally has been done, right underneath on the line, so the students can actually see the number 14. The 10 is very close to the 4 ones. Now back up to the place value chart. They would count again to see if they can make 10. As we are working in base 10, the students would count their tens, and if they can make 10, again, they would bundle. And then with an arrow, they would indicate that those 10 tens could now be bundled into 100. And they would circle that 100. Now, using the standard algorithm, the students could add 4. Plus 5 is 9, plus that 110 that was bundled from the ones place, and they're left with 10. Now, in the place value chart, there are 0 tens left because all of the tens were bundled into that 100, which was shown at the bottom in the standard algorithm as 100. And now all that's left to do is to count up the hundreds that they have. And using the standard algorithm, it's 2 plus 1 plus the other 1, and you would get 4 hundreds. And the answer would be 404. That is addition using the standard algorithm and a place value chart.